Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Figma to ChatGPT on PC or desktop. So ChatGPT lets you connect Figma account so you can use supported Figma features directly with ChatGPT. If you regularly use Figma for designing user interfaces, prototypes or other creative projects, connecting your Figma account can help you work more smoothly without switching between Canva app and ChatGPT app. You can do all together in just ChatGPT application. So to begin with, open ChatGPT and then click on the ChatGPT button in the menu bar. After that, choose settings and then go to apps. Now here click on browse app and then scroll and find Figma app suggestion. If you can't find Figma here, you can click on search bar and then search for Figma. After that, click on continue and here click on connect Figma. After that, a pop-up will appear where ChatGPT wants you to sign in with your Figma account. So click on continue here and then follow the on-screen instructions. After that, click on agree and allow access. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.